Do the terms EDI or e-invoice stress you out? You might dream of escaping or grabbing your nearest soothing beverage when you hear clearance model or onboarding. You're not alone. Most of us are painfully aware e-invoices and EDI invoices are not as automated as they claim. Some e-invoices even require more manual work than old-fashioned PDFs, leaving you fixing problems further down the line. The trouble is, everyone interprets the global e-invoice and EDI invoice standards differently. It's like your go-to soothing beverage. Some love strong espressos, others prefer milky tea, and some even like coffee brewed by office machines. We don't know these people. The point is, we have different standards and processes when seeking a soothing beverage. It's the same with e-invoices and EDI invoices. The supplier name on an invoice might not match your ERP. References are missing or incorrect. The order number is placed in the wrong XML tag. Or invoices are marked as an expense instead of matching to a PO or vice versa. So how do you solve these problems? Especially when it's too technical for your supplier to fix. Third parties have high costs, and your own IT department doesn't have time to fight fires again and again. Before you know it, weeks have passed and you've received late payment fees while trying to automate one supplier. Now there's only 9,999 suppliers left to automate. We see why you were running for that soothing beverage. But it doesn't have to be this way. At Medius, we understand the challenges of e-invoicing, and we're here to take that stress away. We automate all incoming invoices, no matter what format, giving you complete control without involving your IT department. Our patent-pending intelligent invoice capture solution learns from your supplier's mistakes. Once an error is spotted, Capture knows how to fix the mistake and correct it automatically every time. So go ahead and put your feet up and let Medius automate your AP electronic invoicing. Drinks are on us.